Hey y'all, today I'm diving into the world of luxury watches, and trust me, you're going to want to stick around for this one. Let's talk about the Omega Seamaster Diver 300M with that stunning blue ceramic bezel. This watch isn't just another timepiece. It's a statement of sophistication and precision. Whether you're a seasoned diver or someone who just appreciates fine craftsmanship, this watch has got something for you. First off, the blue ceramic bezel. It's not just for show. This bezel is scratch-resistant and tough as nails, ensuring it looks pristine even after the roughest adventures. And that deep blue color? It's like staring into the ocean, mesmerizing and endlessly stylish. Now let's talk about water resistance. This bad boy is rated for up to 300 meters. That's right, 300 meters. Whether you're exploring coral reefs or just taking a dip in the pool, this watch won't let you down. Under the hood, the Omega Seamaster Diver 300M houses the coaxial master chronometer, caliber 8800. This means you're getting top-notch precision and reliability. Every second counts, and this movement ensures they're counted accurately. The dial is another highlight. The wave pattern design isn't just eye-catching, it's iconic. And with the luminous markers, you can read the time even in the darkest depths. Let's not forget about the strap. The Seamaster Diver 300M comes with a sleek and comfortable rubber strap that's perfect for all-day wear. It's sporty yet refined, making it versatile for any occasion. So, why is the Omega Seamaster Diver 300M the best watch for men? It's a blend of style, durability, and impeccable craftsmanship. Whether you're dressing up for a gala or gearing up for an underwater adventure, this watch is your perfect companion. If you're in the market for a watch that exudes luxury and performance, look no further than the Omega Seamaster Diver 300M with the blue ceramic bezel. It's more than just a watch. It's a lifestyle. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay stylish and sophisticated.